It's our third day here in Taipei and we're going to Beitou. Beitou is where you can find hot springs na sulfuric. It's good for the skin and good for blood circulation. So, we will take the train today. First time namin to experience riding a train. And good luck to us. We will take the Tamsui line or the red line. Coming from Ximending, it's about approximately 8 train stops. So, we'll see you guys in a bit. Just a gentle tip when using the trains here, using the escalators or the stairs, if you have to stay on the right so that yung moving traffic can go to the left. And if you're going to bring lots of things like snacks, extra clothes, umbrella, you can bring along one small carry-on luggage with wheels for convenience. Kasi marami dito na lakaran. So, kung bibit-bitin nyo, mahirapan pa kayo. Well, kung may gulong na, although yan, inaano pa ni Jacob kasi we're still using the stairs. Okay, see you in a bit. So now, nandito na tayo sa basement 2. We will take this route. We are now here in Ximen, and we will go here to get to the red line going to Beitou. So from Ximen, 1, 2, second stop, baba na kami. Okay, so far so good. See you in a bit. Here is our train going to Songshan. So we're now entering the train. So puno, kaya standing muna. Standing. So this is the, lamig yung train. So katatapos lang po ng first station, Bimen. Tingnan nyo po doon, tayo nasa 12 kanina, 13, then pag nag-stop sa Songshan, bababa na tayo para lilipat tayo sa red line going to Tamsui single line. Okay, see you guys in a bit. How to exit the train. When you see the flashing light, this is where you will exit. Because this is where the door will open. So we are here in Songshan. Yoo-hoo! So now we will transfer to the red line going to... Ayan, nandito po tayo. So sasakay tayo ng papuntang Beitou. Okay, very good so far. Genie announcements. This train terminates at Beitou Station. Passengers traveling to Tamsui or Guangzhou, please change trains at Jian Station. So, may instruction na yung hindi raw pupunta sa Beitou pero pupunta sa Tamsui, bumaba na daw dito at nililipat sila ng ibang train. Pero tayo stay put lang dahil tayo pupunta sa Beitou. It's now 8:22 a.m. See you in Bay 2. 8:24. This is the Bay 2 station. We'll transfer to Shin Bay 2. So we arrive at Bay 2. Yoo-hoo! We will transfer to Shin Bay 2. There. So we will go down to transfer to the train going to Shin Bay 2. Actually, Bay 2. Bay 2 na to. Dito yung mga hot spring. Pero yung specific na hot spring na pupuntahan natin is specific na hot spring ay nasa Shin Bay 2. Ay sa papuntang Shin Bay 2 platform sa second floor. So mag-elevator tayo. Itong exit kung lalabas na kayo ng Bay 2 at saka ng Guangming. Ito exit. Pero tayo pupunta ng Shin Bay 2 kaya dito tayo sa baba. Ay sa taas pala, sa taas. At Shin Bay 2 station and we arrived at 8:35 a.m. This is where most of the hot springs are. Taiwan, Shin Bay 2. Exit hub. Kano bayad? 35 NTD. So that's about 70 pesos. Murang-mura lang. How was the train ride, Jacob? Very first time to ride the train? Woohoo! We are here in Shin Bay 2. Can't wait to go to the hot spring. Welcome to Shin Bay 2 in Taipei, Taiwan. Here in Shin Bay 2, there are many hot springs and thermal springs, and they have a thermal valley. You can see to your right the Bay 2 Museum of Hot Springs. Kung paano nag-originate ang hot springs dito sa Shin Bay 2. And katatapos lang namin gumamit ng 90 minutes na private hot spring dito sa aming resort na napakaganda, Regent Sky Resort, which we purchased also on Klook. And you can see yung Bay 2 District, Shin Bay 2 District na punong-puno ng mga old buildings and mga trees. Napakadami ditong mga running waters and mga ibon dito, mabababa ang mga lipad, literally. Ang feel ko dito sa Shin Bay 2 is more of a laid back, relaxed vibe, maybe because people come here to really relax and spend the day to distress. Compared to the Philippines, Shin Bay 2 is like Pansol, Laguna in our country, the Philippines. So I guess yung mga residents dito, they also have a source supply of hot spring water which comes from the mountains. Okay, so again, I welcome you all to Shin Bay 2, Taiwan. Ayan, medyo pagod-pagod ng konti. Nanyo may ma-appreciate nyo dito na mayroong mga sculptures and may mga mini parks. Yan, uso po dito ang mga mini parks. Kaya within the city, maraming puno and marami pong, ito po yung marami pong birds at saka maririnig niyo po yung birds. Ito po yung exit na nilabasan natin, Shin Bay 2. So this is the Shin Bay 2. Makita niyo po dito paglabas yung Hotel Royal, Kiching Park. We are now on our way to our hot spring resort, Regent Star Hotel. which is a 5 minutes walk from the train station. And pwede naman dito. May Starbucks. Uy, Jacob, may McDonald's. And may KFC. Mabubuhay ang anak ko dito. And may Family Mart. Yan, meron din mga buses. Yoshinoya, Watsons. So, hindi rin tayo magugutom dito. Familiar food places. Then, tawid. Tatawid, tatawid. Woohoo! Ayun, nasunod sila, oh. Hindi sila nalampas sa linya. Tatawid, tatawid. Oh, saya-saya ni Jacob, oh. Uy, happy. Yan. Doon po tayo nang galing. Sa likod ng KFC. Okay. Carrefour Market.